He goes on, if we say that the planets are the immediate cause of suffering and happiness, then also where is the relationship with the soul who is eternal? After all, the effect of the planets applies only to things that have taken birth. Expert astrologers have moreover explained how the planets are only causing pain to each other. Since the living entity is distinct from these planets and from the material body, against whom should he vent his anger? Oh Shani, oh Rahu, you're doing this to me. I have to do Shani Puja. If we assume that our karma, what we're doing, our actions, is the cause of happiness and distress, still we're not dealing with the soul. The idea of material work or karma arises when there is a spiritual actor who is conscious, and the material body that undergoes the transformation of happiness and distress as a reaction to such work. Since the body has no life, it cannot be the actual recipient of happiness and distress, nor can the soul who is ultimately completely spiritual and aloof from the material body. Since karma thus has no ultimate basis in either the body or the soul, at whom can one be angry? Oh, it's my bad karma. My bad karma is causing me happiness and distress.